So you're going to come into your Upwork dashboard and you want to search for Facebooky marketing in this particular instance. And then you want to go to filters and start filtering out, okay? Well, I want to make sure that anybody I talk to has got an at least conversational level of English, okay? At least. I also want to make sure that they've earned at least $1,000. So that means that they've used the platform, they know what they're doing on the platform. I also want to make sure that their reviews, so they've got at least a 90% and up reviews. My hourly rate, well, you'll know your own budget. So I'm going to leave that open, but I would be extremely surprised if you could find anybody for less than $30 an hour, US dollars an hour. I would be very, very surprised. And let's have a look. We'll just go take a look, okay? Hours billed, so the amount of hours they've actually billed on the platform. I'm not looking for new people on the platform, so I want at least 100 hours billed. I want to find somebody who's been using the platform recently, i.e. their listing hasn't gone dead. So last activity within 2 weeks. And I want to do either, depending on what your category is, we're going to do social media. No, I'm going to leave that open actually so we get everything for this particular thing. All right, so now we start seeing the results that we've got. And you can see, even though I've searched for Facebook marketing and put all these different filters in place, our number one listing, Scotty right here, doesn't say a damn thing about Facebook marketing, okay? Doesn't say a damn thing about that. So we may need to alter what we go searching for here. But we'll come back to that just in case. So same for Ajit here and Sampath. I'd tend to never use companies like that. Alex, digital marketing, blah, blah, blah. Daria. All right, so that's telling me, even though we've got Zianis here, he's a Facebook expert, that we need to go change this. So let's go, instead of Facebook marketing, let's use Facebook advertising and do the same search again, keep everything the same, see what comes back. All right, so now we've got different people. Alexandra, AdWords and Facebook ads expert, $95 an hour. Flexing technology, I've used Flexing before, but I wouldn't use them for something like this. Zianis, Bronson, advanced Facebook advertising. So you want to find somebody what says they do Facebook advertising in there before we even go looking at them. Ethan, Facebook ads. Alan, Facebook ads, etc., etc., etc. All right, so that's the first part of searching for your supplier, Elke. And then once you've actually pasted your job, I usually invite the people that I found to come and bid on my job, rather than leaving it up to chance that they find my job, because there's thousands of people putting jobs up all the time. I invite people. I want to show you how to do that. So invite to job, just there. I invite them to my job, so they get a specific email from me, and I'd put something in there as well, all about how awesome my job is. So do that, and I also look at their profiles, and what I'm looking for is who's done a similar job to mine in the past and had good success and good feedback from it, okay? Who's done something like that? I'm looking for that as well. So I go looking for, and because it's such an important part of the process, I take my time and do it properly. So once I've done that, and I've put my job up and I've got people applying for it, I interview them on Skype. So I get them on Skype and I talk to them, and I spend maybe 10 or 15 minutes with them, asking them about past campaigns, making sure that I can talk to them, making sure that there's a good communication between the two of us, that sort of thing. You don't want to find that out afterwards, that they can't speak English very well when you're trying to get your ads done. You don't want to find that after the fact. You want to know beforehand. So I do that then. And then I also, the final thing is I want to know, so if I'm doing Amazon marketing using Facebook, I want to find somebody that's done that and has got results doing that. So I'm looking for for somebody that I don't have to, they're not going to learn how to do something on my dime. They're going to know how to do it. And all I'm doing is tapping into their pre-existing skill sets. Hope that makes sense. So with that preamble being done, Elke, and also for everybody else who's now thinking to themselves, okay, well, that's how we go about actually doing that. If you are intent on outsourcing Facebook marketing instead of learning it yourself, if you're going to learn it yourself, do the Facebook course that Matt Duggan wrote. Matt is arguably one of the top 10 Facebook marketers in the UK. Very, very talented guy, and the course is fantastic. I still use the course now for what I do. But if you're intent on doing it yourself, this is who I've used and had some good success with, and he's reasonably priced, $40 US an hour. All good in the hood. So I'm going to give you his link, send to all. And again, if you're watching this on the recording, you've got to be on these calls so you can get these direct links. It's right there. That's the guy's name. And he's a cool guy, done a lot of jobs. If you check out what he's done, look, gets good feedback, and has also done some Amazon stuff too. So that's one guy you can use who's reasonably priced, Elke, for Facebook. But when it comes to everything else, I've just outlined how I interview and find people are using Upwork, and that's my strategy for that. Hope that helps. Okay, you're welcome, Elke. Where is the Facebook training? Somebody said anybody who wants that, wants to get access to that, that is a paid advanced Facebook marketing course that Matt Duggan did. Anybody who wants that can just email me and I'll give you a link so you can check it all out. It's very, very good. And we've had a number of people that have done it and had some really, really good feedback about it. And as I said, I use it all the time. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.